All right, here it comes.
Good job.
Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in.
Here you go, Bill. Excellent. Good job, Bill.
Cold hat.
Go dip it.
Bill's fan crews here. Cold hat.
Here, Brad, use my hair.
Bill, you rock, man. Good job.
Here it comes.
Bring it on.
Good job, Bill. Congrats.
Yeah, absolutely. Congratulations,
Go,
man. You did it.
So where should Sue line up for the big kick?
Oh, no, kick.
Wait, that's a perfect bend over, I think.
I think you might want to walk a
Anything
little
you
bit.
want to say to Joe?
Yeah.
Joe.
That's it for Joe?
Joe, my buddy, my dear friend. 4 years I've known you. You're a great young man. I love you dearly. I suffered today for you, but what I suffer today is minimal to what you do every day. You're a great individual. $7,000 right now we've raised for you. We got more coming your way, pal. Everybody here, Todd and Brad, same thing. They put it in for you.
All right, man. He rocked it
Good
out.
job. Absolutely.
Joe, we love you. That was for you, Joe.
All right.
Awesome.
Yay.